What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Nike unboxing from the SNKRS app, and yes, I hit a second W on the SNKRS app. I know these shoes only go for about $20 over retail, but still the fact that I got something on SNKRS for the second time is a dub for me. I am wearing the exact same outfit I just wore in that last video if you watched it, but it's because I'm filming this right after. We are in a rush. We're trying to get this unboxed and we're gonna get right into it. I almost took my whole hand out right there, so I gotta be a little bit careful. I'm a little too excited to open this, I guess. If you watch my other SNKRS app unboxing, the shipping came like overnight basically, but it did take like over a week for them to ship it, and then they were like boom, overnight. These took forever to get here. I kind of felt like I was the last person to get this shoe. Kind of felt like this order was also going to get canceled. I had seen so many people in the Facebook group already get theirs, and I got mine probably like a week and a half after everybody else, but they're here, so I can't complain. Resale is basically non-existent for this shoe now, but I don't even care. I got them and I bought them with the intention for me to keep them. Here is the invoice for the shoes, and here we go. This box was actually pretty tiny. Did I get a kid's pair or something? We got my very first pair of Jordans. Honestly, probably gonna lose all my subscribers right here, but I hate Air Jordan. I don't like any of the shoes except the Air Jordan 1 is the only one I like. There are some 4s that I like and some 3s and 5s. Okay, so I'm a little bit lying. There are a lot of Jordans that I like, but would I ever consider wearing them? No, unless it was a Jordan 1. So I have tried them on in the past. None of my friends have Jordan 1, so I have no idea what size I am. I did try on a 10 and it was like so big, it wasn't gonna work. So we went with a 9.5, which honestly, I checked my Air Force 1. I am a 9 in the Air Force 1. Maybe I should have got a 9, but we'll see if the 9.5 fits. Let's open this up and see what we got inside. And this box is looking crazy small. Box quality looking nice as always, and we got the Air Jordan 1 Court Purple. These things look sick. They feel weird, but I don't really know what like Jordan 1s feel like. Let's see, we got the other shoe right here. So it looks like you do get one other pair of laces. You get the black pair that comes with it, and then you got this purple lace here. I don't know if you can see that, but you got the purple lace here, but honestly I prefer the black. I probably actually prefer like a white. I have seen some people do a lace swap on these, making them yellow, which honestly that would be pretty sick. So yeah, like I said, I bought these with the intention to keep them, so I do plan on keeping these, but if they don't fit, I'm gonna have to try to sell them or maybe size swap. Also, size swap is like basically impossible where I am, so we'll see about that. I guess I don't really want to lace it up just in case I have to sell it, so I'm gonna have to try it on like without affecting the laces here. Okay, so we got the lace out of there. Yeah, let me try these on. I don't know why this is looking so small to me. All right, so yeah, 9.5. I feel like a 9.5 kind of fits. I'm trying to imagine it with like the laces on it. Honestly maybe could have been a 10. I'm not sure though. I could have been a 10. So I don't really know if I'd wear them with these denim, but hopefully I can see. You know what, I'm just gonna do this. So here's where you can see what they look like on me a little bit. I don't really know if I'd wear them with these denim. They are a little bit tight. I maybe could have been a 10, but I'm not really sure. Maybe the fact that they're not tied could be doing it. All right, so I could have been a 10. I don't want to change the laces because if I'm trying to sell them, there goes me trying to sell them. I might honestly be a 10, but I'm not entirely sure on that. So let me just put these back over here. So yeah, I think this shoe is sick. I don't really do reviews on shoes. I kind of just unbox things, so I don't really have much to go over. But here they are again in full before I go. These are so sick. I love these so much. And like I said, this is my very first Jordan if I do plan on keeping them. I don't know about that sizing thing. I don't really want to alter the laces just in case I have to sell them, because it's going to be hard for me to sell. Like in case I go through the Devil Stock X, it's going to be hard for me to sell on there if I alter the laces, because I know them. They basically deny anything of mine if it's remotely look like it's been touched by a human being. So hopefully these end up working for me. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm going to do with them. I might hold on to them for a little bit. I might decide to wear them. I don't know. The 9.5 was a little tight, and that kind of just threw me off. I had all intentions of keeping them, but honestly I'm kind of surprised I would need a 10 in these. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys were able to pick up this Jordan. And at the time that I'm recording this, these actually did just restock about an hour ago. It is Thursday right now. Supreme did just drop. but these also did just drop about an hour before Supreme did. I did not know they restocked, so that basically means these are probably under retail by now, but I still think they are sick. So I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video, hit the like, drop a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.